Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to stop syncing contacts with Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device and direct your attention to the lower right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu icon there, so go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the main navigation menu where you can access all of Messenger's settings and configurations. Once the menu opens, look for the settings option and tap on it. This is where you'll find all the privacy and account management features that control how Messenger handles your data and connections. Settings is your control center for everything related to your Messenger experience. Now, within the settings menu, you'll need to locate and tap on Accounts Center. This is Facebook's centralized hub for managing information across all Meta apps, including Messenger, Facebook, and Instagram. It's where you control how your data is shared and synchronized between these platforms. After entering Accounts Center, scroll through the options until you find your information and permissions. Tap on this option to proceed. This section gives you control over what data you're sharing with Meta and how your information is being used across their ecosystem of apps. Next, you'll see a list of various permission settings. Look for the option that says Upload Contacts and tap on it. This is the specific feature that controls whether Messenger automatically syncs your phone's contact list to Facebook servers. By accessing this setting, you're taking control of your contact data. Now you'll see your Messenger account listed on the screen. Go ahead and tap on your Messenger account to access the contact syncing settings specifically for this app. This ensures you're modifying the correct account if you happen to have multiple profiles connected. Once you've selected your account, you'll see the Upload Contacts option again at the account level. Tap on this to access the final control that manages your contact syncing preferences. This is where you can toggle the feature on or off based on your privacy needs. Finally, you'll see an option to turn off contact syncing. Simply tap on Turn Off to disable this feature. Once you do this, Messenger will immediately stop uploading your contacts to Facebook servers, giving you better control over your personal information and who has access to your contact list. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Messenger from syncing your contacts with Facebook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.